Today, I'm sharing a simple and delicious Thai-style steamed garoupa fish with lime. This recipe is for 2 to 3 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of garoupa fish, washed, cleaned, and cut on both sides. 1 lime. This will make about 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 stalks of lemongrass slices, 7 to 8 pieces of green bird eye chili, 5 pieces of red bird eye chili. This is optional. 50 grams of garlic. I crushed 3 cloves and chopped the rest. 2 stalks of cilantro with roots, 150 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half tablespoon of salt. Start with cutting the cilantro roots and putting it together with the lemongrass. Marinate the fish with salt in between the cuts. In the stomach and all over the fish. Okay, fish is marinated. Put the lemongrass on the steaming plate and 1 cilantro roots. Rest the fish on the top. Put 1 cilantro roots and crushed garlic in the fish stomach, and the rest of lemongrass in the fish stomach as well. The fish is prepared. Now we can steam it. I have hot boiling water here. Place the steamer over it. Cover the steamer and set the time for 10 minutes. If the fish is larger, the steaming time should be adjusted accordingly. While waiting for fish to cook, prepare the chili and the sauce. Red bird eye chili is very spicy, so I will put it the whole pieces. For the green bird eye chili, they are not that spicy, so we are cutting it into small pieces. Put it in the mixing bowl. Take half of the cilantro and chop it. Place it in the same bowl with the chili. Next, squeeze the lime. Press the lime and roll it on the chopping board to get the maximum juice. Cut the lime and squeeze it. This should be enough. Leave it aside. Next, make the sauce. Put 150 ml of water in the mixing bowl. Add all the fish sauce and all the sugar. Stir until sugar is dissolved and well combined. Leave it aside. Make sure we have 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Next, cut the cilantro for garnishing. This is optional. Put it aside. This is the chili and the cilantro mix. Add in all the chopped garlic. Mix well until incorporated. After 10 minutes, the fish should be about 90% cooked. Steaming the fish like this tends to release fishy water in the steaming plate. Carry up the plate and discard the fishy water from the plate by using the spatula to hold up the fish to prevent it to slipping down. Please be careful when doing this. The hot steam can burn the skin. Put the fish back in the steamer. Put the chili, cilantro, and garlic mixture all over the fish. Place the bird eye chili. Pour all of the fish sauce mixture all over the fish. Cover the steamer and continue to steam for 4 more minutes. Alright, time's up. 4 minutes, fish is cooked. Now pour the lime juice on the fish. Spread it all over the fish. Next, use the spoon to scoop up some gravy. Pour on the fish. so that gravy and lime juice will be mixed. This will give a really great tangy taste for the gravy. Alright, the steamed fish is ready. We can take it out and serve. Let's decorate the fish with some lime slices. Sprinkle the fresh cilantro, and we have a lovely Thai-style steamed garoupa fish with lime. Wow, the fresh lime juice smells so good. Let's eat! The garoupa fish is very fresh, soft and tender. Combined with savory lime gravy, so good, very appetizing. Steamed garoupa fish goes very well with savory lime gravy. I really recommend this. It will be great for dinner. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.